guys, Erik with Lowes Landscaping, looking at another project that we're going to be starting here pretty soon. This customer has some old timber walls that are severely in need of repair. As you can see, they're pretty rotten, so they don't have very much time left, but we're going to be ripping these out, installing a new wall in its place, a new block wall. You'll notice this has a few challenges. You'll notice that there's a post for the deck that is sitting on the wall on this side, and the same on this side. So that's a big no-no. So this wall is only temporary. This wall is not going to last forever. That post should be anchored in concrete, so that way this post is always supported. Those are just some of those things that we find that for whatever reason that somebody's done before, but it just creates a little bit of an issue later on. So those are one of those things that you don't want to do. But anyway, so we're going to be ripping out the wall on this side as well, and having both of those end right here at the stairs. So it's a pretty simple little job. It's a unique little area to work underneath. So a little bit of more hand labor and a little less labor with the machines on this one. But we'll be doing a update on this one pretty soon.